Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today I'll be learning how to turn off automatic photo backup on Terabox, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn off automatic photo backup on Terabox, first open up your Terabox app on your phone, as I've already opened it. And after opening your Terabox app, guys, on this interface at the top left corner of the screen, you can see the tree line icon available for us. Tap on the tree line icon at the top left corner of the screen, and then this kind of interface will appear where you can see on this panel the first option that says automatic backup. Now in order to turn off the automatic photo backup on Terabox, tap on the automatic backup option over here and to land over here, and if you scroll down a little bit over here, you can see the automatic photo backup option available for us. It is already turned off for me on my phone. You can see at the right side a toggle icon that is turned off, but if it is turned on your case like this, tap on the toggle icon at the right side of the automatic photo backup like this, and when this box appears, tap on close. And with that being done, guys, your automatic photo backup on Terabox will be turned off. And there, guys, this is how to turn off automatic photo backup on Terabox app on your phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.